Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Turo discount promo codes which you can use on their website to get the discount on many deals, or you can say many things. So first of all, go to the Google, and on the Google you can search simply codes, or you can just in the URL section just write down the name of the website, simplycodes.com. And once you find this website, simplycodes.com, press enter and you will be redirected to their website. So on the right side you will see a search button or icon. Just click on it and just write down in this section, you just need to write down the name of the website, which is Turo. So just write down Turo and you will see, as you can see, like this website is listed there. Just open the one that you're looking for, and once you open this, as you can see, like September 2025 working promo codes and coupon codes. As you can see, like last updated was 39 minutes ago, which means that the codes are updated on daily basis and they are verified, which means that they are working most of the time. You can just click on show more to get as many codes as you want. Some of them might be unverified, so you can add, that is your choice. Try different codes which might work for you. Let's say I want to get 40% off. Just click on view code, and once I click here, so I will see the code like this. As you can see, just click on copy and that will be copied to the clipboard, and from here you can just directly click at shop at Turo and that will redirect you to their website. Otherwise you can just go to their website by yourself. Just choose the one that you want to get discount for, just choose the item and open it and apply the discount or the promo code, and you will get the discount eventually. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can get these promo codes which you can use on Turo.